Okay, good morning. Here we are. Let's clean our lens quick. You can see a bit. And right now we are having the dogs running and fighting and wanting to visit. It's very early in the morning, as you can see or hear by the noise on these birds. Okay. That's what I have here, my DJI I have here, and we want to try to fix my GoPro Hero, where the GoPro Hero has the problem that it doesn't connect right with the phone. I want to download the media from this, and the question came up, why would you buy this GoPro if it never works? And you know, it does good video. So I turn it on, it immediately comes on. It has footage on there, the footage I want to see on my phone. So I'm going to go in my phone. I select Wi-Fi. Yeah, and then I will have to select this camera, right? That is the 4750. That is my camera. 4750. And we use the GoPro app here to go into the app. Then we can connect to the camera here. Here, control your GoPro. Start preview, and then we see basically what the camera does see, right? Yeah, I put it here on the edge. You see a car parked there and whatnot. Let's see if the zoom works. The zoom in out. See, that does not work. Video on. The button changes somehow color. But on the camera we can see here, the camera does not turn video on. Now it does. Did you see the delay? But it just it says it beeps, but it doesn't go into video recording mode. What do you think? Now the thing is broken or whatever. So you can go in here to see the media on the GoPro, so that you can download the media from it, and you will find that nothing works. So the same here. So basically nothing works. There's something wrong with this connection, even though if you go here, there, now it says Wi-Fi connection lost. Okay. Now this camera was never underwater, was never punished that hard. I mean, you see a few scratches here on the side of this, but overall there's a little rub off here. But other than that, you know, nothing special. So what we're going to do is this: we're going to delete the pairing from the phone. We kill the software, the program. We tell here Wi-Fi, the thing here, we tell it to forget the network. Okay, and then in Bluetooth too, I think. I'm not sure if it has a GoPro Bluetooth thing in here. I think not. No, it's not. Okay, and then here on the camera we do a full reset. A full reset. Let's see how this goes. This is to play the videos. Here, preferences. Connections. Wireless connections on. Connect device. The Wi-Fi band is 5 GHz. We can do 2.4 GHz. See what that does. Reset connections. Okay, reset. What that does. So go back in here, preferences, connections, Wi-Fi band 2.4, camera info, and we have a password and a camera name, and then we're gonna try this again. So we go on the phone to Wi-Fi, we wait for the camera to show up, doesn't show up in here. I mean, I can I think manually enter it. I can say other, call this GP 25124750, so that's manually. And then VCB, oh, it's a capital C, B minus M H minus 7 greater H. So now you know my password. And so it could not find this network. It's funny, right? So the phone cannot find it, even though we are super close. Wi-Fi band. So what we can do is we can do a full camera reset here. Reset cam, factory reset. Ooh. Factory reset. And resets your settings, clears your connections, and removes the camera from your GoPro Plus account. So means if you don't know your GoPro password in your Plus account, then what do you do? That's a full reset. And on top of this, look at this, it does write like bullshit here. Oh, English, legal stuff, captures the location. Okay, let's do this. On, install your GoPro app, leave your camera on, and follow the instructions. Okay. So there it shows up here now. Now we need to skip setup. It wants the password for the thing. Jesus Christ. See, I'm in my phone now entering the password, but here it wants the date. Do I know what date it is? My God. So May 2nd. May 2nd, 20. I want to know the time. 7. Look how easy this is. 7:34. Okay, check. Explore the GoPro. Okay. Yeah, forget this with exploration. We want to go to preferences, connections. Wireless connections are off. We want to turn this on. Now, wasn't this interesting that the phone tried to connect to it, but here it says the connections are off? You know? We go on to the GoPro app. Okay. So, but the whole point of this is now that we need, here is the camera, it needs a password. And what is the password? Here, there's the password. So we enter this password. C3, capital G, minus capital M, K, capital P, minus 3, H, and capital H, and join. It does join. It is, and now we need the GoPro app. And we look for the camera here. Camera button. And it's there, so we can do control your camera. It asks for a Bluetooth pairing request. Okay, let's do that. And now we see here, we have a picture. There, those dogs playing. And then I can go here to photo. Take one. It's quick. And then we go here and see if we can access the video. There we can. So a full camera reset did the trick. And we are rocking again. But that was a lot of work for this thing not working when you need it.